In our third video, we're going to look at having negative fractional exponents like this. So recall that if we have a to the negative 1, it's going to be equal to 1 over a to the positive 1. So we drop it below the fraction bar. So the same thing is happening, notice here, with the negative exponents. So when I have the negative m over n, it's going to be 1 divided by this whole term is going to drop and become a positive m over n. So let's do a couple of examples. So here I have 16 to the negative 3/4. So then that's going to become 1 over 16 to the positive 3/4. So once I drop it, now I can change this to a radical form, and that would then be 1 over, so that would be the 4th root of 16, and then to the 3rd power. And then that would be 1 over, the 4th root of 16 is 2 to the 3rd power, and that's going to be 1/8 for my answer. So when I have a negative exponent, remember it doesn't make a negative number, it changes the spot in the fraction, and you get a fraction 1/8. Then here, negative 27 to the negative 2/3, you will get then 1 over negative 27 to the positive 2/3. So then once I get a positive exponent, now I can change that to be the cube root of negative 27, take that whole thing to the 2nd power. So that's going to be 1 over the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3 to the 2nd power. And when I square that, it becomes a positive 1/9. So again, I have a few examples for you to try on your own. I believe I will do one more example, and then we will call it a day and pick this up in the next class. I just want to show you one of these off of example 6. And these next 2 examples, we have to go the other way. This time I have the 8th root of x to the 4th, and I am going to rewrite that with a fractional exponent. So remember, the index is the denominator, and that 4 is going to be my numerator. So that's going to become x to the 4/8, which reduces to x to the 1/2. And it says use rational exponents to simplify. I get this. And then I'm going to go back and write that then as a radical. So that's now going to be the square root of x for the answer. We'll finish the rest of these up in class next time.